Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook short ribs. Begin by patting your short ribs thoroughly dry with paper towels. Season them generously with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a heavy-bottom Dutch oven over medium-high heat until shimmering. Sear the ribs on all sides, about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until deeply browned and a beautiful crust has formed. Remove them from the pot and set them aside for now. After searing, add 1 chopped yellow onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks to the same pot. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon. This deglazing step adds incredible depth. Stir in 4 cups of rich beef broth, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, and 2 bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Carefully return the seared short ribs to the pot, ensuring they are mostly submerged in the aromatic braising liquid. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the Dutch oven tightly with its lid, creating a steamy environment inside. Transfer the pot to the preheated oven and braise for approximately 3 hours, or until the meat is incredibly tender and easily pulls away from the bone. This slow, gentle cooking ensures maximum flavor and tenderness. Once the short ribs are fork tender, carefully remove them from the pot and set them aside. Strain the braising liquid through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids, then return the liquid to the pot. Skim off any excess fat from the surface. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat and reduce it by about 1/3 until it thickens slightly and becomes glossy. Serve your incredibly tender short ribs immediately, drizzled generously with this rich, flavorful sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.